Welcome to the Get Inspired channel. Today, we're going to talk about how to reframe negative thoughts and turn them into positive ones. Negative thoughts can greatly affect our mood, health, and even life in general. But there are ways to help you get rid of their influence. In this video, I'll share with you step-by-step instructions to help you reframe and change your thinking for the better. Let's go. Become aware of your thoughts. The first step to reframing negative thoughts is to become aware of their existence. Thoughts that cause you stress, fear, or irritation may be hiding behind automatic reactions. It's important to learn to catch yourself in the moment when these thoughts arise. When you realize you're thinking negative thoughts, that's already the first step to changing them. For example, if you often think, "I'm not good enough for this project," realize that it's not a fact, just a thought that arises in your mind. Keep a thought journal. The second step is to keep a thought diary. This method helps you visualize your negative thoughts and understand how often they occur. Throughout the day, write down every negative thought that comes into your mind, as well as the circumstances in which it occurred. Writing it down allows you to see what thoughts come up regularly and in what situations. Tip: when you write down your thoughts, try not to judge yourself for them. It's important to be honest and sincere with yourself. Challenge your thoughts to a duel. The next step is to challenge negative thoughts to a duel. How does this work? When you become aware of a negative thought, ask yourself, is this really true? Where is the evidence? Often our negative thoughts are based on fears and assumptions that have no real confirmation. Example: suppose your thought is, "I will never get promoted at work." Questions to reframe your thought might be, is this a fact or just an assumption? What can I do to increase my chances of getting a promotion? Once you have become aware of your negative thoughts, the next step is to analyze them. Self-reflection questions. What is the reason for this thought? Are there any facts to support it? How can I look at this situation from a different perspective? Example: if you think, "I will never succeed," ask yourself, where did this belief come from? You may have had failures in the past, but that doesn't mean you can't succeed in the future. Restate your thoughts. The fourth step is to reformulate your thoughts. When you find unreasonable or overly categorical thoughts, try changing them to more balanced thoughts. This doesn't mean denying your feelings or problems, but it's important to visualize the situation from a different angle. Example: instead of, "I'll never get through this," try, "It may be difficult, but I'll do my best." Now it's time to replace the negative thoughts with more positive or realistic ones. Replacement technique. When you catch yourself having a negative thought, try replacing it with a more constructive one. For example, negative thought: "I'm too bad for this." Positive replacement: "I am learning and growing every day." Exercise. Create a list of positive statements about yourself and read them every day. This will help build your confidence and change your thinking. Replace negativity with positivity. The fifth step is to actively replace negative thoughts with positive ones. When you find a negative thought, try to immediately replace it with a positive thought or at least a neutral one. Gradually, this will become a habit, and you will notice your thinking changing. Example: instead of, "I'm not smart enough," say to yourself, "I'm constantly learning and improving myself." Practice gratitude. Practicing gratitude can dramatically change your perception of life and help you reframe negative thoughts. Every day, write down 3 things you are grateful for. This can be anything from small things to major accomplishments. Rethinking negative thoughts is a process that takes time and effort, but the results are worth it. Start by becoming aware of your thoughts, keep a journal, Analyze and change them to more balanced ones. Don't forget that it is important to be patient with yourself. Every step along the way is a small victory. But with each step, you will become more and more confident and able to cope with challenges. Remember that your thoughts do not define you. You have the power to change them. Subscribe to the Get Inspired channel. Like this video if it was helpful to you, and share your ways to combat negative thoughts in the comments. See you soon. Thanks for watching.